Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What is meant by simplicity and humility? Answer. Simplicity and humility means being informal and straight and having the least view about one's value. It means the absence of pride and the state of being simple. Question 2. Describe in a few sentences the lifestyle of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the light of the text that you have read. Answer. Text shows the following lifestyle of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very simple and humble in his lifestyle. He ate simple food and put on coarse clothes. He never sought prominent or elevated place in gathering. People coming in had to ask who the Prophet was. Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha said, the mattress of the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was made of leather stuffed with the fiber of date tree. Question 3. How can simplicity and humility do away with the culture of extravagance and waste? Answer. By adopting the qualities of simplicity and humility, we can easily eliminate the culture of extravagance and waste. Waste of money and extraordinary display of wealth result in so many problems. A man having the quality of simplicity and humility remains free from mental disturbance. It saves a man from financial disorder. Question 4. Read the last paragraph of the lesson Simplicity and Humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with comprehension and write down the main idea and supporting details of the paragraph. Answer. We can learn a lot from the flawless qualities of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By adopting the qualities of humbleness and simplicity, we can improve our lifestyle and eradicate the social evils like arrogance and ostentation. Simplicity and humility will enable us to lead a happy life. Simplicity and humility will also reform our societal behavior. Question 5. How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treat his foster sister? Answer. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to stand up to welcome his foster sister, and he also used to spread his own sacred sheet for her whenever she came to meet him.